Hey guys, Mike here. I'm currently working on my mom's website. She's a piano teacher and a public figure. This website will be online, so I thought why not to share the development process with you. The web resource is still under development and I will add more to it as we progress. It is built using Angular 14. Yes, not React, but for those of you who want to try another framework, it could be a great experience. I will try to record 2-3 videos per week depending on my free time since I'm a working software engineer. So this will be a full project. I will show you the whole process from buying a domain name to mapping it to AWS. We will be using AWS services for hosting. AWS is an awesome cloud service platform used by big companies and developers. Their prices are competitive and AWS offers a free tier for 1 year, allowing you to use their services for free. I will also show you how to apply an HTTPS certificate, deploy everything to S3 bucket, set up CloudFront for caching, and configure redirections from www or HTTP to HTTPS plus your domain name. Additionally, I will explain how to set up your working environment with VS Code and sync it with GitHub repository. Basically, I will cover all the tools that we as developers use on our daily basis. For this project, we will be using 3 AWS services. It's S3, CloudFront, and Route 53. I will talk more about them later as we develop. And as I mentioned earlier, we will be using Angular for this project. Angular is not difficult and provides all the necessary tools out of the box, such as routing, two-way data binding, command line interface, TypeScript. It may be a bit heavier than React, but big companies prefer it for its ease of maintenance and future updates. With Angular, you can efficiently build robust and scalable web applications. So that was my teaser. Subscribe and stay tuned for updates.